Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are now watching episode 2 of the Arunachal and Spiti travel series. Episode 1 released last week where I showed my journey from Bangalore to Dirang, so please go and check it out. We had finally reached Dirang, and as soon as we reached the hotel, we received a grand welcome from Sona. And of course, subscribe to my channel, like my videos and hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I put on a video.
On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing things. Are you still listening? Wanna be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be lead. When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring at the edge. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind takes me there. I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind takes me there.
या कुछ न कुछ तो गड़बड़ जरूर है।
Well, this hotel was one of the best hotels that I've stayed in Arunachal. One suggestion: when you're booking for this hotel, request for a room on the top floor. The view is too good, which is why for location I would give it a 4 star.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे।
Rooms were super clean, property also was nicely maintained, and for cleanliness I would give it a 4 star. For food I would again give it a 4 star. There weren't many restaurants around, so we ordered from this hotel and the food was great.
हाँ, चौली की सब्जी है, चपाती है और मिठाई में घूघरा है।
खाने में चोली सब्जी और क्या? चपाती।
Amenities and hospitality. There were heaters in every room as Dirang can get super cold during the nights, and the staff took great care of us and made us feel like home. Overall, would give this hotel a 4-star, and when you're in Dirang, definitely stay here. The next stop was another beautiful monastery. It was huge and very peaceful. One suggestion, please do go here early in the morning because by 9 am a lot of tourists comes and it gets too chaotic. The next stop is Sela Pass, which is at 13,000 feet elevation. It is one of the coldest places in Arunachal Pradesh, so please do wear the right clothes so that you can enjoy this place. During December to Feb, it will definitely snow here, and Sela Pass can be extremely cold on a windy day. We didn't see much snow here, but I know we had a second chance as we had to cross Sela Pass again while coming back from Tawang. We were heading towards Tawang and the journey was just too beautiful. The next stop was Jaswantgarh War Memorial, and this memorial is in the honor of late Jaswant Singh Rawat. He was an Indian rifleman of 4 Garhwal rifles in Uttarakhand, and for his bravery, he was honored by a memorial at the post where he fought the Chinese army. Next stop was Tawang War Memorial, which was dedicated to the war heroes of the Indochina War in 1962, 2,420 in number, who sacrificed their lives during the war in Kameng sector. This war memorial has 2 rooms on each side. In one room there are maps, photos and artifacts. One suggestion, please do visit this place post 4 PM, as this memorial looks fantastic with lights. The other room is a sound and light showroom, telling the tale of the heroism of the Indian soldiers. They have at least one show every day which starts at 5 PM. Ticket price is ₹50 per person. It might be cold and you would want to head back to the hotel, but don't miss this show, it is really fantastic.
मेरे रगों पे दौड़ते लहू पर कर्ज है तुम्हारा, दूर पर्वत की चोटी पर तैनात भाई है हमारा, जिसको सिखा रहे हो जंग का मतलब, उससे बेहतर कौन जानता है जंग का मतलब। ऊंचाइयों से उत्कर्ष ठोकर है आरंभ जिसका, सूरज से प्रचंड अज्वलित है वो, फौजी है वो। बलिदान परम धर्मा धरती का बेटा, दुश्मन का शूल है वो, फौजी है वो। रॉबिन, बत्रा, मानिक शॉ, सिंह, यादव कुमार, पीठ पर नहीं इसने छाती पे लिया प्राग्र। हर माँ के बेटे की बेटी की सुरक्षा मेरा फर्ज है, कहता है वो, तुम्हारे घर का स्तंभ है वो, फौजी है वो।
This brings us to the end of episode 2. If you like my content or found it helpful to plan your trip, do let me know in the comment section. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in episode 3.